up, y'all? It's your boy, Neighborhood Nip. Big shout out to my homeboy, DJ Delz. No question, Neighborhood Nip.
I'm an addict for sneakers.
Sneaker addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We got a super special package sent to us, man, from Amsterdam. From my guys over at Patta. Now let me tell you something. I just can't believe I got this package sent to me, and I really appreciate it. I gotta say, I really gotta thank my dude. For real, I'm taken back. Unbelievable. So this right here is part of the Jordan collection. We're gonna check out all of these goodies, and the first, man, look at the print on that. That is sick. I love this. Check out that shirt. And let's see what we got here. Shorts. Now for the grand finale, right? You don't know what's in this box. If you don't know, I don't know what to tell you, but you should know. Matter of fact, peekaboo, look what we got there. How you doing? We got the Patta Air Jordan 7s. Man, the box alone is just really crazy. Here's a look at the box with the artwork. I love the drawing right there. I think that's really nice. And there is a look at one side of the box. You got their branding on the other side. You got a sample tag right here. There's a look at the other side. And let's open this bad boy up together. Love the print. Wow. See, I've seen some photos, but I didn't really realize how premium over here is. Oh my goodness, I wish you could touch that. Unbelievable. So here we go with a detailed look at these amazing shoes. Let's get this cardboard the hell out of here. And I gotta say, the materials on them, once again, crazy. I can't wait to show you in just a second. Looking at the medial side of the shoe, you have your Patta branding right there in the middle. These fit true to size, definitely. Jordan 7s, true to size. Even if you have a wide foot, I think you should be good true to size. You got a damn cinder block as a foot, a boulder as a foot. You got that LeBron James foot with the pinky toe going diagonal. Maybe you gotta go up half a size. But if that's not the case, stay true to size on these bad boys right here. Now looking up close, premium materials on this shoe right here. I'm telling you, like, primo right here. Just so nice. It's unreal. But you know what? It's not unreal, because if you think about it, Patta has done so many awesome runners. They always use amazing materials. So why wouldn't they with a Jordan collaboration? It only makes sense. Got your Jumpman branding right there. As you can see, that material, man, just quality stuff right there. And I love the branding on the midsole. I think it's so creative how they placed it here. Great placement on this shoe. Really unique, really dig it. They didn't hit you with multicolors on the peaks, but I think the reason why they may have done it is so that you pay more attention to the actual branding on the midsole. And it definitely is effective. Got your keychain right there, Jordan larger than life. You see, he's even bigger than the keychain. Feet hanging out, hand and the ball hanging out. And there's a look at the outsole. Check it out. There's a look at the back of the shoe. You've got Team Patta on the pole right there, and you have your 23, as you see, is an arrow right there. Not everyone realizes that. It's an arrow right there. Then you got your 7 that is behind the 23. Looking at the medial side of the shoe, you have your Patta branding right there in the middle. These fit true to size, definitely. Jordan 7s, true to size. Even if you have a wide foot, I think you should be good true to size. You got a damn cinder block as a foot, a boulder as a foot. You got that LeBron James foot with the pinky toe going diagonal. Maybe you gotta go up half a size. But if that's not the case, stay true to size on these bad boys right here. Bird's eye view on the toe. Check it out, check it out. You got your neoprene tongue in red with them chocolate laces. And then looking at the tongues, as usual, you got different designs on the 7s, which I always feel is very unique, usually different on every single pair. So I always love that it's that unique and different. Something I really, really dig. There's a look at the back of the tongue right there. Check it out. There's a bird's eye view looking in with your Jumpman branding on the footbed. You got your Hirachi booty system right there. Very comfortable shoes. These are some really comfortable sneakers right here. They started doing this with this kind of booty system on the 7s, and then you continue to see it with the 8s and the 9s, but it all started right here with the 7s. And even looking right here, leather, premium leather right there, nice touch. They didn't have to do this, you know, like things like this, you ain't gotta do that. It's inside the shoe, but doing it is something we as sneaker fans, sneaker addicts, sneaker enthusiasts, we appreciate this type of stuff right here. Love it. And there you go with a close-up HD look. You know what time it is now. I gotta show you what they look like on feet. Before I show you these bad boys on feet, make sure right now to bang that thumbs up button. Show that love and support for this detailed look on YouTube with your boy DJ Delz. Now let's get into it. All right, so here we go with a look on feet. I think they look crazy. Let me know how you feel about them. Leave it in the comment box below. As far as the fit, go true to size as far as the fit. Things look crazy, right? You know how we got to close it out with that infamous bird's eye view. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, shout out to everyone over at Patta. I'll catch you soon with a new video. We out.